You can also test the value of inputs and outputs. For example, you can, since we're not going to be incrementing, we don't need this, we don't need this. And we could say something like, if, let's say digital input, let's say we're looking at digital input number 3 is on, but we could say if it equals off or not equals on. There's different tests you can perform. But let's say we're testing to see if digital input number 3 is turned on. If it's on, then jump label 1. So we can test digital input, digital output, robot input, robot output. There's a number of I/O you can test. So if it's on, it will be true, and it will jump to label 1 and execute these again. If digital input 3 is off, then this test would be false. It'd fall through and end the program. Something else we can do, another way of branching, conditional branch, is the select command. Okay, so we could say, we're going back to data registers. Just to put some numbers on them. We can say select do one more. And then we could increment register 1. And then say if register 1 is, let's say it's less than 4, jump label, we'll just go with label 1, put the label up here. Now, we initialize our registers, establish a destination for our jump, and then there's a selection process and a test the value in register 1. If it equals 1, it'll call program A. Register 1 equals 1, program B, etc. But now, well, what if it equals, let's say it equals 5, okay? So it increments, it fails the test, comes back up, loops through again. There has to be a way to escape. So what you do is you put another statement in here. And if it fails, then we're going to jump let's call it label 2. We'll put label 2 down here. So if it fails, then it comes down to label 2 and ends the program. Yes.
I found another one there.
Okay, I'll take a look. I'm making a video also. So we have conditional jumps and unconditional jumps. So the labs I'm going to have you do today, you've already written several programs, and now I want you to include a jump label. I want you to include unconditional and conditional jump statements. There's one more I'll talk about. Let's say you write a program and you want to test the state of let's say a digital input. And the digital input is on. But let's say it takes a while, okay? So there's another statement you can use. It's a wait statement. Let's say we're looking at digital input number 4. Let's say we're looking at label 3. So execution of the program would reach this point, and the program would stop and wait. Wait for, in this case, digital input number 4 to be turned on. But you don't want to wait forever. So you can establish the timeout, the system variable. By default, it's 30 seconds. You may not want to wait that long. And so it waits for the timeout period, and then if digital input number 4 doesn't turn on by the time the value of this time expires, it will jump to destination, in this case label 3, wherever you have that in your program. So this is another conditional jump, and it's based on the condition of digital 4. Okay, any questions? Okay, pick up your labs on the way out, and we'll head out to the shop and write our programs. Thank you.